Pig is handy as we all can see, hanging up a picture of the family. He taps with his hammer so expertly. Daddy Pig's a bit of an expert, he surely cannot miss. He's a bit of an expert.
Let me handle this.
Daddy Pig's a bit of an expert, no job too small or big. He's a bit of an expert, just all for Daddy Pig.
What does everyone fancy for lunch today?
Can we have pizza, please? Pizza, pizza!
Oh, I'm a bit of an expert at making pizza.
Daddy Pig is handy as we all can see, cooking in the kitchen with the family. He spins a pizza expertly.
What's this? Hoopla!
Daddy has a pizza on his head.
Daddy Pig's a bit of an expert, he surely cannot miss. He's a bit of an expert.
Let me handle this.